Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by deciding whether you want WhatsApp offline on cellular, Wi-Fi, or both. This determines the steps. Once decided, open your phone settings and then Apps or Applications. Make sure WhatsApp is visible in the app list. If not, search for it. You're doing this now so you can change system-level permissions rather than inside WhatsApp. This gives immediate control over network access without deleting the account or using airplane mode on the whole device. On Android, tap Mobile Data and Wi-Fi for WhatsApp, then disable mobile data and Wi-Fi access and turn off background data. This prevents both foreground and background network use. If your Android lacks those toggles, enable Data Saver and exempt other apps, or install a local VPN firewall like NetGuard to block only WhatsApp. Make sure to test by opening WhatsApp. Messages should not send. These methods block network without affecting other apps, so you keep full device connectivity while isolating WhatsApp traffic. On iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow Cellular, and flip WhatsApp off to stop cellular data. iOS has no native per-app Wi-Fi switch, so block Wi-Fi at the router or use an MDM/profile to restrict it. Once done, restart WhatsApp to confirm it can't access the internet. If messages still go through, make sure VPNs, background refresh, or router rules aren't bypassing the block. Restart the phone and recheck the toggles. If needed, use a firewall app or router-level rule as a definitive fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.